From personal experience, patients that have to attend regular appointments often struggle to make those appointments. Often, those patients are strapped for cash and don't have friends and family around to help them.
In addition to patients, teens can't drive themselves yet and have to rely on parents or friends to bring them to health facilities, sporting facilities and community events. Single mums often struggle to involve their kids in sport clubs. Having an alternative transport option would help them. It will also let teens discover health facilities through the app. Finally, employment data shows that population turnover in the territory is higher than in most other states. People often come to the territory from interstate for work, and they might not have a car or they might not have a lot of money. Public transport isn't available everywhere and taxis can be expensive as well. Pay It Forward is the free platform for acts of kindness in the Northern Territory. It is primarily orientated towards ride sharing. If someone is desperate for help, or if someone is under financial strain, Pay It Forward can be used when family or friends are not around to help you. And it is an alternative to using taxis, private hire cars and public transport. Pay It Forward can be used by patients to go to appointments, for example at the hospital or at the doctor's, or support groups. It could be used by teens to go to sporting clubs or events, or even just community events around town. Teens can use it to go to their sport club, or to events or to community facilities. The app will also let them discover health services that are nearby and will let them arrange a trip to those health services. It will also help job seekers that maybe came from interstate and help them get a job.
The user will be presented with their profile where they can set their name, their age, and it will show what they are on the app for. After signing in, the user can make a request for assistance in the field that they need assistance. When making a request, they can select their destination, the date that they need to be picked up, the time, and they can make notes as well. When volunteers log in, they will see the pending requests. They can go to a request. The map will show them where the requester wants to go and the other details that they've entered, and they can accept that request.
The app is a prototype. A lot of features still need adding. For example, people should be able to organize their return trips. They should be able to request a car seat or request space for a wheelchair. We could also include more data such as helplines like Lifeline or Parent Line. More incentives should be added for people to give a hand. To avoid abuse, identity of the user should be verified using an ID card at the least, driver's license. To transport teams, obviously an OCA card would be required as well.
The app is essentially free, so it will need to rely on external funding. Donations are obviously a source, but government departments might be interested in funding as well.